Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a Yeardle puzzle. 3 more events that took place in the same year, and I'm going to try and guess what year that was. Now, a European set of events again today, at least the top two are. Pilgrim besieges the city of Salerno. That could have happened at pretty much any point. It feels, if it's European history, that it's going to be early in the last millennium, though. I don't think we're talking Roman times. So it's going to be not between 400 BC and 400 AD, as I always say. But I feel like it might be about 1,000 years after that period, to be fair. Middle clue, there are so many Henry IIs. I don't know when the German Henry II was. So that's tricky. And that bottom clue doesn't mean much to me either. I mean, it mentions the previous name of modern Tunisia, Ifriqiya, or apologies for pronunciation. So it can't be that recent, because obviously it would have been called Tunisia. But I don't know how old it would be. Would have been Carthage at some point, so maybe that means it can't be too old. Let's try... I really don't know. I'm basing this just on my first two clues, I guess. Predominantly the middle one. Really feels like it's going to be last millennium. So let's try 1300. Oh, I'm over 200 years off. I guess that means we try a bit earlier? Oh, okay. At least we're within a couple of hundred years now, so we can take smaller jumps. I suppose let's go a bit earlier. Oh, I was right to be moving later, so it's going to be between 1100 and 1020. So let's try 1030. Okay, slowly narrowing it down. Oh, I've moved the wrong way. So it's between 1020 and 1024. Let's just try... Oh no, it can't be 1020 itself, because then the fourth clue would have told me I was 200 years off. So it's got to be 21, 22, 23 or 24. Don't think there's any way to narrow it down between those. Let's try 24. Okay, it's 22 or 23. We'll try the even year first. And we get there just about on the last guess. Wow. Going for even years and multiples of 5 is always the best tactic. 278 years off on my first guess is not brilliant, even by my standards. That is worse than my average. It's just a tricky one. I didn't realise they had kings called Henry in Germany quite that early. Clearly. But I did solve the puzzle eventually. Not my best performance, but a long way from being my worst. But how did you get on? Let me know. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.